Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Right. Let me put that on. Okay, welcome. Wow, Tommy boy, what a trade up there, man. Amazing. Okay, let me just get rid of that. There we go. So it's Friday. I hope everyone was okay through NY session yesterday. It was very, very fun. So yeah, let me just get this ready. Gold was super nice. The daily flip gave me 50 pips. Oh, very nice. Morning, Tommy. Wow, what a trade. Yeah, so I actually didn't see it. It was fucking far back, but beautiful, right? If you look on the 15-minute, all the way to the left-hand side, you can see there's a OB here. From there to there. How much is the stops? 17 pips. Oh, beautiful. Very, very nice. So that was good. I tapped straight into it. Launch down. How far did it launch? Wow, I need 70 pips. Yeah, that's sick, man. Well done, well done. Oh my god, I've got some fucking gut problems over here. Oh. So I'm gonna quickly go try and get a coffee if I can, and then we'll get started. But in terms of right now, news at 7 o'clock. So 20 minutes time. I'll be 2 minutes just to go to the toilet. One sec. my god, that was some fucking erupting fucking arsehole. So that's great for the weekend. Okay, so let's get this started over here.
Morning, Max.
Morning.
Uh,
Oh my god, there was a beautiful OB that Tom took. That was great.
yeah, I didn't see that. I did take a sell. I only took a small sell, but I got fucking. I moved to break even too quick, and I got stopped out.
Yeah, looking like it's continued down. So in terms of gold later on, yeah, it's US bank holiday, so we won't be trading US session today. There's no point, especially from this week. I highly doubt we're not going to be doing too much. But wow, yeah. So yesterday, guys, we took well, I took a buy, and I'm so annoyed. So I had a buy there, buy stop. It activated me there. And because my TP on Magic Keys wasn't high enough, my TP was there, so my entry was higher than my TP, it just closed straight away. I was like, oh no!
Shit.
So that was rather annoying.
Is that what happened? Okay.
Yeah. So like my entry...
So what, you get nothing? You got nothing?
I got like fucking 3 pips or something.
Oh.
So I got in there, my TP was there, my stop loss was like there, so it just cuts it straight away, which is rather annoying.
That was rather annoying.
Yeah. So let's take a look then. But wow, what a big rally in terms of gold. To be honest with you, I have a feeling we've actually just kid's quite a big OB there as well. I have a feeling we may not do too much today, to be honest with you. It's a bank holiday for the US, so that's most of the volume gone already. And it's not like the past 2 days or so have done nothing, right? We fucking launched up, so... yeah. How did everyone do yesterday? Did they take any trades? For me...
Only in the morning.
Yeah, me too.
I was too scared to do the old news. And you know what? I nearly I paper traded double bottom at 17.30. After it pushed up,
oh yeah,
and that would have been just absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, nice.
No.
So in terms of Goldie now, yeah, we've hit that big res also to the high as well. So yeah, we might have to see, man. I don't really think too much in terms of where I want to take trades in gold, right? It's had a massive move up. Do you really think it's going to launch again today without any news and no volume for bank holiday? Probably not. So that's fine. Obviously, the only thing that to analysis from it is that it's bullish. The daily time frame didn't close above this resistance though, so clearly holding it. In terms of GJ though, however, GJ has got some news this morning and they're looking like they're going to be pretty negative. They're expecting negative, so sell stops for me are probably the way to go. In around about 15 minutes or so. Daily's got no bottom wick, which is great. So that's good. Daily closed bearish below as well, so looking very, very good for sells. Can you see that the daily time frame closed below support there? Closed it below. My god, now it's making the wick up to then potentially flip and continue later on. Great news. Let me just put that on. So yeah, for NY session today, we'll probably just do another backtesting session. Yeah, we'll do like maybe December and gold 5-minute trend line, because there's gonna be no volume and all that stuff. 4-hour time right now. Last one closed doji. Looking like it is finding a little bit of resistance already after pretty much tapping the previous break and retest, which is great. Add that on. Hourly time frame, yeah, looking like a bit of a consolidation range. Why? Well, there's obviously big news coming out, right, in 15 minutes or so, so didn't really expect it to do that. So yeah, I mean, in terms of where I'd want to take buys and sells, it's actually pretty easy to find where you'd want to take them for this level. 166, you know, a buy above Asian highs, sell below Asian lows. I think that's what I'm probably gonna do. Yeah. decent wick on GJ. Oh, on the daily. Let's take a look at what my other one looks like. Oh yeah, my daily's got a decent wick there as well. Interesting. Well, daily flip then. We'll see. So, in terms of the 15 and the 30 minute, yeah, like below there, 165.310 and buys of 166.100. If you got in there, stop loss would be, yeah, you can put in like there. So, yeah, pretty happy with that. GJ buys. I don't know, man. I think right now, if you're looking for GJ buys or anything, I think it's a little bit silly because there's only 12 minutes left until news comes out. Oh, I got itchy. Yeah, not too long until news comes out. And that's going to decide it, eh? So... But yeah, man, that's the trade of the morning already from Tommy. Little OB trade. Beautiful. Beauty. Tapped into amazingly. Did I push up quite hard as well? Looks like it did, so that was nice. Very gorgeous. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do here. Buy over here, sell over here, see the score. Nah, that's sick. That when it goes quicker up is good, right? Especially when there's no like retracements, because it just taps and then leaves. Great stuff. Great stuff. So yeah, overall this week so far, around about I think 4% gain, which is pretty good so far. Started to get into the actual rhythm of it, of this month. Couple errors in terms of GJ really. Are you gonna full risk for news trade? No, I'll do very small, like 0.25. Yeah, so yeah, 4.2% if you took all the trades. Pretty happy with that. And now we're back on track. 4% is normally what I like to aim for, like 4 or 5%. That's like 16% a month. So we're on track for that again. A little bit of a stutter at the start, but that's fine. Now we should be going. You can see in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, 3 wins, 3 break-evens. All break-evens went 9 pips. My God. Look at me looking beautiful. When to buy when the candle closes and when to go for break and retest. It depends what your entry is for the close, right? So when to buy when the candle closes, okay? So that's a good question. Let me record this, right? So when to buy when the candle closes? Well, let's see, right? So if you're looking for sells below this support, right? Let's say you were looking for sells below like this area. If you got a candle closure like this, okay, then I think, you know, taking the candle, this candle is a good idea, right? Makes a top wick flip, beautiful stuff. Why? Well, because the zone below to the next support is like there, and obviously you have one down there as well. So that zone and where your entry is big is nice enough. Why? Well, because if you enter a trade there, your stop loss is in the previous zone. So your stop loss is in zone 1. Your TPs and stuff are all in zone 2, and your entries in zone 2. But your stop loss is safe being there or there because it's in the previous zone. However, let's say that we go back and unfortunately price, well, not unfortunately because some people were happy with it, but some people, sorry, let's say that GJ closed like this. Well, now things get a little bit harder, right? Because one issue you have is if the next candle makes the top wick and then flips, you're probably going to have to use this candle here, this candle high, because this stop is way too big. Okay, if you use this candle high, is that safe? Well, no, because it's not in the previous zone, zone 1. So price could easily make the higher wick, tap this level here, and then reflip. So you've got to be careful for that. And also, just in terms of the zones, right? If you're here and your stop loss there, or even there, is 20 pips, and your TP there is only 10, you know, that's not too good in terms of risk to reward, right? The zone needs to be as big as your stops, at least. It needs to be normally bigger. So then what people tend to do is go, you know what, I'm actually not going to take this trade. It's too close to this support first of all, which could react. It's already tapped it. And this one below is only like 10 pips away. My stop loss is too big. So do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wait for price to, yeah, it could push. Let's just say it does. I'm going to wait for price to push down, etc., etc. But when we come up to retrace at some point, which we normally do through before pre-NY, we'll do something like this. When I get the resistance forming over here, then I can get a beautiful trade. So try not to get too worked up on missing the first push, because you can get it later on. Exactly the same thing for a celery play, right? If you took a trade, if you take a trade like this, one second. If you take a trade, right, like this, and you took the sell there, stop loss above, great, you know, 100%, that's an amazing trade, I'll take it. But some people might miss that. Oh man, I missed the move. Well, what can happen is this candle, because it's broken it, right, imagine if it closes there, you can then sometimes get the retest. The price can open, flip, open, push to this retest, you can get the same entry, and then obviously you get the next push, as long as the zone below is nice. So there's a lot of ways to get in. You just got to be able to identify what's the best for your scenario, and that's all explained in the G drive as well. So yeah, I managed entered and got to 230% CPI in gold. Oh, nice, very nice. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. So yeah, I'll start to look. We've only got 6 minutes left. We'll see what the news brings. But yeah, US bank holiday, Euro bank holiday. So yeah, it's probably going to be quite a slow day to end off this quite slow week for some people. For me, it's alright, 4%, but I know for a lot of people it was quite hard. So we'll do that. But yeah, is Manuel here? I don't know where Manuel's going to join in. But yeah, I think where you guys gonna put your sell stops or buy stops if people are doing it? For me, I'm gonna do it below here. 264 and above there. That's what I'm gonna do. Dun, dun, dun. That's what I'm gonna do. Where is it? There it is. Okay. I'm just getting it so now this time my fucking TP is not going to be lower than my entry price. It just takes me out straight away. Because that was rather annoying, I'm not going to lie. Rather annoying. Okay, so let me just get mine kind of set up soon. Move that TP hella down. Thank you very much. That was rather annoying. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah, there. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Sometimes I get confused with that. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. So not too long left. Not too long. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my ass today, but god damn it, it's not happy with me. Holy. Dying over here. Let's take a look. I'm in sell already, small position. Flip on the 15 was the entry, expecting bad numbers. Yeah, I totally agree. Expecting bad numbers. Very, very bad. Very bad numbers. So yeah, I'm gonna have it like around about 15. Yeah, like 350. 350. Where's chat on your layout? In FTMO, how long do you have to wait till news to be able to trade again? Well, I have no idea. No idea.
Max, I just papered a 1 minute break and retest on gold. Got 10 pips.
Oh, very nice.
Right, actually.
A 1 minute.
Yeah.
Very nice. Well done, man. Beautiful work.
Yeah, that flipping 1730. The 1 minute was like a 30 pip flipping candle.
Uh-huh.
I was just, wasn't brave enough, Max. I papered it instead, but fucking hell, man, it went like about 200 pips or something. I was like watching it, I was like, no.
No.
So they're deciding, so today they're doing, are they voting on whether they think rates should go up? Is that what it is?
It's everything, no, it's GDP and stuff.
Monetary policy report, and then you've got the official bank rate votes. Okay. Monetary
Where? Where do you have that?
Huh?
Right, let's take a look.
All at 8 o'clock.
Ah.
So they're voting. So it was 900 last time and 900. So 9 votes for an increase, none against, and none for stay the same, which they're expecting, I guess. I guess.
Well, this was underwhelming. Has it came out yet?
It's still wearing on the Forex factory.
Oh, minus 0.6. That's not good. Probably gonna take my buy stop off now then. Well, that's a bit fucking boring. It's because GDP is minus 0.2, so better than expected. Better than expected for construction. Wow, it's a mixed bag of results. I'm gonna take mine off over here. Taking my sell stops off because yeah, it's bad GDP, but good prelim GDP, good construction output, good index of services. So can you see it? When there's positives and negatives, normally doesn't really do too much. Normally doesn't do too much at all. Wow, that was really shit. Damn, but it's good to see that. You know, when there's only one negative, the rest are all positive. Shit's not gonna move, right? Great stuff.
Cooking the books, Max.
Yeah.
They must be.
In FTMO, how long do you? I know. Great. Are you allowed to trade news? If anyone knows, do not trade news on FTMO. Please, for the love of Jesus, don't fucking trade news on a funded account, please. What is the point? I'm down 3.4%. What's your advice, sir? Advice is to go back and look why you're down 3.4%. There must be a reason. For me here, right? If I actually go, because this, you know, in trading, you need to have some self-awareness, right? You need to know that you're not perfect, and why is that, right? For me, what I look back on this month so far is, I'd say, a FOMO trade, right? Or a change of emotions trade, something like that, right? Because basically what I did in this scenario is GJ was breaking, where was it? GJ was breaking, GJ was swooping the Asian lows to continue bullish in this one. So I was looking good for an Asian sweep. Didn't do that. I instantly went into the gold sell. GJ sells once we pushed below and break the low of the previous. But what I should have indicated was, you know, The buy didn't work straight away, which it normally should have. That's probably an issue with in terms of price action right now. And I jumped into another trade, and look at the trade that I jumped into. Impulse minus 1.4. That's a silly trade, right? Same thing happened over here. Exact same thing. GJ again. I got the wrong end of the stick. Thought the buys were going to work. This is at Asian again. The Asian lows. Didn't work the first time. Got into the second time. So my losers this month could have been avoided just from not taking the extra trade after and just knowing that, it didn't work the first time. I'll close my minus 0.2 or minus 0.3 percent gain. Because I would have saved myself 2.8%. So yeah, that's just what I got to do. So when you look back on yours, you've got to go and, right, what did I do wrong? If you think you haven't done anything wrong, then you've got a bit too much of an ego. Too much news movement this week. The charts need a breather, 100%. I don't think we're going to get jack all for today. Obviously, NY session's not going to be done. I was an actually nice support holding, 1756. But yeah, I have a feeling this week is probably going to be over. But we'll see. We'll see what the score is. Today's going to be money day. Withdrawal day from that Goldie, eh? If it stays. What was your entry, Tom? Do you also stream NY? Yeah, I stream NY with the group. With my mentorship group over here. 138 of us. So yeah, in terms of GJ now, we'll have to see. It's a mixed bag of results, so just let that sink in. Price action in this area looks rather shit, so I gotta wait for below or above anyway. Let's put that on. Buys above, sells below. $2.96. Great. Great stuff. Great success. Where's chat on your layout? Chat isn't like the right hand side monitor. Yeah. Did anyone take any NY session trades? Any NYs? Didn't seem like there was too much, maybe. There's a little W there on gold. Take a look. It's alright, it's kind of rangy. That blasted off pretty nice. So now I want to ask people the same question. Are you profitable? What happened yesterday? Did you guys make any money yesterday? There we go. Yeah, so interesting with the news. Nothing too much. Yesterday, 3.5%. Wow, amazing. Amazing. I would have got probably 3.5% if that fucking gold didn't cut me out. Prelim business investment down. So yeah, it's a mixed bag of results here. It's quite interesting. Goods trade balance minus 15.78. Difference in the value between imported and exported goods during the reported month. Interesting. That's much different to what they expected. Much different.
Big five.
Yeah, that's massive. So yeah, I do NY. We do simulations as well. Yeah, we'll do a sim today. We'll do that in the NY session because I don't think there's going to be too much in NY session today. But in terms of the week, let's take a look at the weekly pushes this week. Yeah, I mean, look at that. 169, 200, all the way down. So big week. Big rejection week. Take a look at Goldie as well. I did tell you this week was going to be good. Wow. What do you think of gold trendline from 1736 tab 3? Okay, 1736.8. My only issue with the trend line right now on Goldie is I suppose, especially a selling one, is just how bullish we are. Let's take a look though. Wait, it wasn't there. 1736 over there. I like that. Yeah, that's quite a good one. Yeah, I quite like that one. Yeah, I like that one. I like that one a lot. So yeah, if I just got rid of that fucking stupid errors. It's just one of the things, man. You just gotta go through it and go, right, why did I take them 2 trades there? But anyway, it's good now. 4% for the week. Pretty good. Starting to get back on the road again. Back on the road. Jake Paul or Top G, Max? I don't know, actually. Jake Paul's been training hard, man. I know. Also, Jake Paul has been in the spotlight a lot longer. He's also done events. I suppose Top G did with his kickboxing, but it's not as big. 100%, nowhere near as big. So, I don't know. I think Jake maybe. Gold extend a lot. It needs to create a higher low to continue. Yeah. So if I held my run run, which I would have as well in this case, it wouldn't have closed the full thing. I'd be up. Oh my god. The one time I get a news entry and a fucking 400 pips. My god. So in terms of how this daily is gonna do now, yeah, obviously we didn't close above here, but we've retraced quite a lot. Looking like we've made a W. Can you guys see that on the daily?
Yeah.
So maybe the start of next week we get a retracement, tap this level, and then shoo. That's what we'd like to see. Also, it'd be the weekly lower wick to come retest there. So perfect. That was the most underwhelming news event I've had in a while. Just didn't do anything.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, yes. For people who watch Instagram and stuff, for some reason my views are insanely down this past month and a half. But I've been posting the same fucking thing, so maybe I just need to do something different. So I'm gonna try and think of what else to post. People are sick of all our banging trades. Did you take any trades? I just joined. No, I had to sell stops and buy stops on GJ, but the news did fuck all. Some people in the group took OBs. Have you still got a runner in? And what was your entry, Tom? Because I think this might be quite good. If this can break, it'd be good. See how this 50-minute closes in 3 minutes time as well. Goldie. Oh, do you like the celery? My only cause of concern is the 30-minute hasn't closed yet. And it's actually still hovering on this level that can make support. Yeah, see how this 15 closes. Gold extended a lot as it needs to create a higher low to continue. Yeah. Black Knight Chess Academy. Oh my god. There's some chess over here. Entry 1764. Oh my god, what a sniper. What a sniper. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's run up them likes. Let's try and get 100 likes right now. 8, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna leave the stream if you go. Yeah, Raja. I'm gonna leave the stream. That was so funny yesterday where everyone was asking about, oh, is the world gonna end? Sorry, is Forex gonna end? Fucking Raja just fucking joking with people. I like 1780 for TP. For gold, 1750. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's an OB. That would be the target. Yeah, we'll see, man. I quite like it too, right? The only issue is where it is right now, right? So this is what we do, guys. This is terms of discussion, right? So people are like, right, we quite like the sells, right? If it gets back below this level, we might be able to fill the zone, and there's a good OB at the bottom there to come and target. So that's one, right? We found what we like. Do we just enter straight away in the break of the low? Because some people may have. No, we don't. Why? Well, the first thing is on the 30-minute time frame. Well, sorry, the 15 closed bullish, right? So a level where resistance was there could be acting as support. That's the first issue. First red flag. The second red flag. 30-minute time frame has not closed below, and it looks like a break in a retest. Can you see? It's perfect level to continue bullish. So that also doesn't look good. Okay, so what do I need to wait for? I need to wait for this candle to close. Okay. Third thing, look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour previous candle closed bullish. Retest the level is where we wanted to take the sales. That's not good either, right? Because what we always see is when price breaks out of a zone, it likes to come retest the break and then to continue. Okay, so that's exactly what it's done here. It's closed above. It's retested the level it's just broken out of to maybe continue bullish. So therefore, that is way too many red flags to just jump in that trade. What you've got to do now is just wait for a little bit more confidence, okay? So this 50-minute flip is actually quite good over here for the buy to continue back bullish. But I do think at some point, especially when there's an OB up there, the zone's not big enough. 30-minute looking good for buys. How much would the stops be there? Oh, stops are quite big, eh? 27 pips. 27 pips to the high. Yeah, I quite like the buys too as well, to be honest. Would you consider that a 5-minute W? Where? There's a 5-minute M there. Oh, that was nice. Anyone see that? Nice. Yeah, exactly. So the 50-minute closed. I'm just trying to think, you know, if the 30-minute breaks the previous high, it's good. It's also breaking the previous 15-minute high. How did you have the celery? It didn't close. Is it in the 15 or the? We'll see. Yeah, break of the high. I don't think break of the high, but if it was break of the high, your stop loss was 30 pips for a 20 pip gain. It's quite small. That's what's putting me off. That's what's putting me off a little bit. Got it on the flip right now. What would it be? So 50 minutes made the flip. Breaking the previous high now. 30-minute high. I'm gonna stay out of this one because the stops are too big. I think if I got on the break of the high. Yeah, so what I mean is, you know, if my stop loss is bigger than my TP, the zone's too small. I want a bigger zone. So yeah. So it's breaking. How else could you have done it? Trying to think of where you could have maybe have done it. Life of the Blues W. Oh wow, nice. Well done for taking it. So how did you take it? Where's your stock? Because right now, if you got in the break, if you got in the flip, this flip was okay. I mean, yeah, like 20 pips, it's okay. 10 pips secured, good stuff. I just think for people who are doing like these trades, just make sure that you've got a very good plan, because the issue is if you lost one of these trades, okay, if you lost one of them, and your stop loss is 27 pips, that's not too good, right? And you're taking 10 pips out of the market. When you take an L, it's going to hit you back 3 wins. So you've got to be careful for that. Yeah, that 50-minute flip was maybe the best. It's still 27 pips though, the zone. You might be able to squeeze 27 there. That's not too bad. The break of the high though is not good enough. My stop is below the 50-minute candle. Very nice. Oh, just the current? Yeah, it's just I don't like doing stop loss and current at all. I just think it's a bit risky. Can easily come and make a lower wick and then continue, which normally it doesn't go well with you, right? If you take the trade and it doesn't work, and then it actually reflips again and does work, it kind of pisses you off. So, but while people are taking it, GJ's still doing nothing. But we've got a good trend line later on as well, actually. So I'm pretty happy with that. 30 pips to the low, which is good. Very good, very good. So let's just go through some percentages, right? So if you took that trade there, you got in there. I wouldn't use current stop. I think it's risky. 25 pips there. Might have got there nearly. 22 pips. Not too bad there. So yeah, looking at that 4 hour, wow. It's a shame that's a bank holiday day, because it probably was going to be launching. If the current 50-minute rejects 1760 area, possible M. I took the high, but the flip was better. Yeah. So we'll see then if this 30-minute where this 30-minute candle closes. Because if it closes like below here, I think the sells would be nice below. 100%. Yeah, Jayan, we'll just do the simulation. We'll do simulation at 12. We'll go on, we'll see if there's anything there, but if not, we'll just do the sims. Yeah, we'll just do the simulation. Wait. Floyd Mayweather versus Deji weigh-in. Oh, wow. It's going to be a fucking interesting fight. My God. That Mayweather is a very funny guy, man. He spends so much, but he's like, oh, I can just do a fight every so often and get paid it back. Fucking easy work. Bloody easy work. Is today a bank holiday? Which country? US. US, Euro. It's the biggest payday. Sometimes it's fucking horrific. That's my only issue for it. So yeah, GJ just playing around in here. We'll wait a little longer. To be fair, for the most part, GJ's been playing pretty hard through the whole of the week, actually. Yeah, it's been pretty shit. Pretty esto shito. Yes, France, Germany, no, Germany, fucking Belgium. So yeah, we'll see how this candle closes. 8 minutes left for it. One minute. Yeah. Yeah. Straight to little lobby over here. Is it that one there though? That one there. That's the thing. It's kind of the whole zone, isn't it? Let's look at the 3 minute. Nice. Do you like the England squad? Yeah, but isn't gonna win us anything. Don't think it's gonna win us anything. If you're not seeing the Brazil team, we're like, it's fucking mad. Tom bank holidays are good for gold. 100% when there wasn't a fucking 400 pip move the day before. I think that's gonna have a interesting effect. GJ's breaking the lows. Get down, GJ boy. Look at the hourly 30. Yeah, we'll see in terms of this closure because it is at a 4-hour support. I'd want to take a sell, so you've got to be a little bit cautious there. Beautiful, coming back to the highs, 1662. Did it wick everyone out? Oh, it might have there. The people who got in on the break of the highs got wicked out there. Yeah. Maybe even the flip. Done for the week, 4% up, great. 4% up for the week, very nice. Let's take a look then, yeah, so... Oh, 56% of people said they're profitable, okay. 44, kind of the same as yesterday. Not too bad. Not too shabby. So yeah, in terms of actually... Do we have any OBs higher up? Because I'm seeing that there's 15 there. It's quite interesting. Could be interesting later on. Candle change before the break. Very nice. So how big is the zone below? Let me take a look. So we got 165 flat there. Yeah, it's 54 pips though. It's a big zone. It's a big zone, which is good. That's what we like to see. Let me write in here. This is a no treat zone. Do you start your New York Zoom session at 12? Yes, normally at 12. Sure thing. What's people's plans for the weekend? Anyone doing anything nice? Anyone doing anything nice at all? I think Louie's gonna come up for me, which is gonna be fun. Let's take a look at EJ as well. Last time going fishing this year. Oh, does it get too cold? EJ dropped. EJ's bank holiday actually all day, so I'm not even going to look at that. Let's take a look at how Bitcoin's doing. Apparently, some investment firm in, I think it was California, had all of their crypto in that exchange, or like with the exchange, that FTX, 200 million they lost. Oh my god. So at 17,000, look at the week. This is going to be the first weekly time frame that closes below 1800s. So that's going to be interesting. How far the week down to 1500? Oh my god, it's getting close to 12. So let's just do this, right? Let's say that you bought. Let's say you just bought a 60k, right? So let's get a calculator up. Let's say you're an investment firm, right? And you had a 100 million. Well, they did. So you might not have bought at the high, but you might have bought pretty high. So we'll do is that 000? I can't see how many fucking zeros are there. 100, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So then, let's say they bought a 50k, right? So they have 2,000 Bitcoin. Okay, 2,000 Bitcoin. So now it's worth like 70,000 per coin. Wait, 34 million. So they've lost fucking
66.
Yeah, 66 million. Oh, that's an oof. It's a big L. That's 15
I don't feel so bad about my break even now.
Exactly. So if we actually continue bullish, if you continue further, right? Let's take a look to the left. So we had this resistance, which is quite a big level. It's also a lot of OB there. Let me just draw this on the hourly. 1763. We then have a zone all the way to this OB, which is there. So 1770. So we look back where we are. Yeah, we're still quite far away. 64, we have a little bit of zone above. Oh yeah, we do. This zone's actually okay. A little bit of rejection there at 1765. Did you not want to take the 30-minute celery? I kind of did, but it's just the zone was a little bit small. But if I could go back, I wouldn't do the celery. I would, because the stop was too big. I would do just the 50-minute close like there, because that gives me enough room. Just about 24 pips to the body of the candle is 24. So that's what I would have done. But in terms of the 30, nah, the stop's way too big for the zone. 33 pips for a 20 pip gain. Hell no. I want more from my trade, not less, you know, in terms of stops and stuff. Yeah, 100%. Mate, I'm watching people on TikTok saying, oh, it's fine now. People are starting to buy now. I'm like, oh, that's very intriguing. Now look higher. I said 15. Lol. Oh. Oh, 15-minute celery. Wait, where? We also have this OB area. Oh, it's a shame that I might break it, Tom. That would be a stinker, man. Later on, fuck. Buy the dip to get even more dip. That is mad, that. Keep on buying the dip, boys. The rejection wick breaking the previous. I don't know where you guys are getting these celery turns from, but there's not a fucking celery to break right now.
Max, was that kind of like a bit of a squash W on the 5 as well? Or would that not really count?
Yeah. That's true. Yeah. No, discount. 1, 2, double top, closure above, retest, yeah. 100%. Oh, the Rick rejection break in the previous. Yeah, the Forex Kingdom already went through that before. I think you mean this one here, break at that level there. Yeah, I didn't. It's at a level that I can reject. It's also the 4-hour retest. It's also at an hourly retest. It's also support forming. Yeah, it's taking that sell there is a serious boo-boo if you took it. Down the fish immigrant to ponds in Florida. Florida. Okay, send me a chart. That's good then, that 57% of people are profitable this week. It's just the 43. People in the chat, 43% of people who didn't make any money this week. Tell me why. Gold also approaching a weekly OB. Yeah. I think I have one on the daily too. Is it the daily? The daily's higher up, 1784. Yeah, 1784. So I wonder what they're going to say about that news, because it was very interesting. Construction output is better. So it's just a bit interesting to see. Was GJ moved at all? Nope. Looks like GJ's on the bank holiday today. So 4 hours reflipped. That's true. For me. But it's also because people are still trying to all they're doing is having optimism to try and buy it again, but it's done now. It's like it's one of the it's like a scam that doesn't get found out by the government yet, and then when it gets found out, it gets cut. That's literally what it is. The reason why they would call it a scam is because they can't tax you on it. They can't really monitor you on it. That's why they're going to call it a scam. So, for example, let's just do a thing, right? Okay, so when I was at school, I used to sell sweets, right? I was a sweet selling guy. For the first year or year and a half, I was fucking doing it, and then it got a bit pretty obvious that I was doing it, right? Because I had like 7 bags I was bringing in. I was making fucking racks. Okay, made all this money, great stuff. And then I finally got caught out and I had to stop it. That's exactly what's crypto's happening right now. You exploited what you could at the start because it was new and no one really knew anything about it. People got very, very rich in a very small amount of time because of the way it was, how volatile it was. The government, aka the school teachers, have caught on that you're doing this. They're wanting more of your money because that's what governments do. And now they're going to put an end to it. So there's going to be none of this bullshit, oh, it's going to run up another fucking 70, 80%. No, it's not. It's not doing that shit anymore. Yeah, that's true. What is this?
Is that? The thing is you study hard, you have invested heavily,
Is this really trading?
Occurs that honestly traders don't understand.
What is this
they don't
editing?
understand what's going on. They have a tendency when you put pressure on yourself in trading.
Why is he just with a fucking?
Possible. And
he's going fishing.
Okay, believe me, your P&L, it's telling you the effectiveness of the beliefs you have really at the very deep ends about you.
I'm putting it towards that.
Yeah. I'll for sure run again in a couple of years because institutions want it to. Why would institutions want it, Shane, when it's just dropped fucking 80, 90%? And it's not like it's dropped. People always say, oh, it's dropping, but it does this every bear run. Well, what's the difference now in this bear run? Someone tell me, what's the difference in this bear run now? The fucking exchanges are getting bankrupt. That's different, man. Oh, and also, this is the first bear run that is in a recession. No one has any fucking money. So if you think that crypto will run up again, I don't know. I think you're seriously mistaken. Exchanges also always went bankrupt, lol. Yeah, but not as big, not as structured as it is now. The second biggest exchange on crypto has just gone fucking loop-de-loop. So much so that the the biggest exchange, Binance, tried to help them and they said, no, we can't help you, you fucked it. Like, that's madness. If people know and people really, really get and understand crypto and they know that it goes 80% and it always comes back, wouldn't they have put a plan in place? Because they have no idea what's going on. Crypto will be a normal trading asset. Man, I'm not going into it again. Crypto will be fucking nothing. The only thing that'll be crypto is government coins. They'll use the software probably from one of them. They'll probably pick one of them, probably XRP, because it has a fast withdrawal time and fast proof of, you know, purchase. And they'll use that. Because why would they want you to use any other one? It's just retarded. So that's what I came to. Just trade sticks and stuff. Trade goats. Is there actually any other news before? No, that's fuck all today. But to think that it won't be manipulated again, I just don't see it. But hey, no, yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's true. Type drip in YouTube. Have you ever been able to withdraw the money or not? Because I've already seen those things. It's like, oh yeah, you can really compound your coins, or whatever it's called, but you can't fucking take it out until 2 years time. Well, good luck then. Your coins are worth nothing. I was thinking I kind of want to go to the cinema. Is there anything on in the cinema recently? I think it's been pretty dry, man. They need to really up their games. Let me take a look. Oh, Black Panther. Is that today? Oh shit. God dang. Black Adam. Apparently that is the shittest thing. I literally asked my brother it, and he said it was the shittest movie he has ever seen. Hands down the shittest movie, so. And then it backed up because a couple days later. Oh my god. Get it off. Why is TikTok like that?
Got it, guys.
How the fuck? My god, that was painful. I want to show you this. This is funny. I love stuff like this. This is wholesome stuff. Watch this. So he went to go see Black Adam, and he's just putting his review in on IMDb.
First time I've ever given a film a 1. It's Black Adam with The Rock. It's the biggest pile of shite I've ever seen.
That's the biggest pile of shite he's ever seen. That's great. That's great. Oh, no way!
The world has changed.
Like, I bet you 100... Is this about Lamborghini, right? I bet you 100 million pounds the Countach will be there, man. It's a fucking beautiful car. Oh my god. Is this out now?
Our name. Signor Ferrari, in my opinion, you make the best cars in the world.
Look at that. There's the Lambo. You see the Countach? It's come on now. Oh my god, I miss it. I want to go back.
But with all my Ferraris, there is a problem. The clutch. I have a solution. If you consider a partnership, Ferrari, Lamborghini.
Go back to your tractors, farmer.
Oh, this looks dope.
Thinking of a car that doesn't exist yet. One that is as strong and powerful and as unforgettable as the bull.
This is a Miura. Is he talking about the Miura there? Yeah, he is.
I'm going to build it. Along
long will it take? Can't be done.
Bermuda!
Doesn't work.
Look at that Countach. That is the fucking coolest car, I'm sorry. I agree with my dad. When my dad bought it, I didn't think it was anything cool, but it's so fucking
Lose
badass.
everything.
You want me to be like everyone else? It's not impossible until we fail. In 6 months in Geneva, people will be looking for the next fight.
That Geneva Motor Show, my god.
What they will find is the first Lamborghini.
That's something new. I don't know if this would work. The world will be ready for this one day.
Tell me why you think that the world needs another luxury car.
It's
There's the
perfection,
Mura.
man.
Oh,
You don't care about me.
Badass.
The only thing that matters is a
badass.
great
Lambos suck, but those old ones are cool.
Lamborghini.
What?
Want me to do? Why are we here? To make a car. To make the best car.
You have a responsibility to tell them what you're doing.
Wow, I'm definitely gonna do that. Is that out now? Wait, let me just go here. November the 18th. Oh, I've got to see that with my dad. I gotta see that with my dad. He'd like that shit. Do you think, Shane? Yeah, I like the front end, but I don't like the back end. The back end looks like this Shan or whatever it's called. Yeah. Wow, I didn't know that was coming out. Oh, thank God, some actual movies. I saw that Smile one. That was good. Halloween Ends, did anyone see it? It was fucking shit. It was one of the shittest movies I've ever seen. It was pretty bad. So looking like maybe making a double top over here on Goldie. Very nice. It's interesting that GJ hasn't done anything yet. 50 minutes left for this London Open. I'm gonna write that on. Yeah, it's 4.2. Can I add this? Oh, there. One second, trying to do something. Oh, it's up there. Oh shit, that's why. Okay. Let me write this on. What the fuck is that? Oh, I just changed that. Oh, for fuck's sake. I didn't mean. Oh my god, I'm such a. I feel like I'm such a bad tech guy. Let's do this. Three S's? No, three S's. Okay. Oh yeah, the Avatar 2 as well. Okay. Looking like there's going to be a run of good stuff. Did you take any trades today? Nope. I haven't seen anything that I liked yet. Apart from maybe that GJ on the close of the 15-minute maybe here. Was okay. But nothing too much yet. But to be honest with you, I'm taking today easy, man. It's been a very, very volatile week in terms of how prices moved. And Goldie's bank holiday, Euro's bank holiday, and GJ is ranging pretty hard, so it's a day to probably just sit back and relax. But yeah, I'm gonna do the we'll do a simulation later on. We'll probably do the December one. I'm gonna blast through it, as in like go through it and see if price action is decent, just because I don't want to waste another simulation doing fuck all. Max, did you take a trade off stream today? No. No. Yeah, man. I mean, that's the madness when that news came out and it just didn't do anything. I think gold now in the next couple of weeks is going to be starting to make some highs. You can see over here, this is the first kind of break. So, if you take a look at price action, right? We're always going down. Okay. Lower lows, lower highs, all that kind of stuff. Now we've changed. We've broke the high of the previous. So what I expect now is price to come back to this level, retrace, make the support, and then back up, and then start the continuation of gold buys, which will be delightful. Look at the celery plays in the daily. My God. Do they happen quite a lot? Because that could just be... Yeah, there's one there. That's a good way to get into a buy. Take a look when it was really bullish up here. Celery play there. Celery play there. Celery play there. Celery play there. Yeah, there's quite a lot of celery play there. Interesting. Interesting. Classic Lambos are cool. New ones, I don't really like them. Nah. The Aventadors are still something, to be fair. New Ferraris are the most boringest cars I think I've ever seen in my entire life. I walk past them like they're fucking Ford Focuses, and they're shit. They've been shit for a while as well. They all look the same. They all sound pretty much the same, apart from the 812s. They all look the same now. I don't like the look of them. They look a bit boring. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. So it's actually ranging between 166 flat and 162, 165, 250 level. Yeah, quite a big zone of a range. So, and people in the chat, who let's take a look at see a look. Oh my God, can I speak English? Jesus Christ! What trades have people done that they feel is the best trade of the week? Who's got the best trade of the week? The best trade of the week. In terms of perfect, I'm not gonna lie. I think that 5-minute trend line one yesterday was pretty good, pretty damn good. Zero drawdown, runs TP1, TP2 straight away. That was pretty good. Let's take a look here. Reliant Robin. Did you got no volume? Yeah. Reliant Robins. Yeah, they're fun. Look how clean though this. Like later on when we take cells, like I don't know, this could be years, years later, but cells below would be nice. They'd be beautiful, in fact. Ah, I'm just kicking myself for that entry that I got put into there, man. So annoying. Yeah, if you really weren't here before, I got into the gold buy here. Slipped me to there, but my TP on Magic Keys wasn't set high enough and it was actually below my entry, so it just cut me out straight away. So that was annoying. Gold buy, question mark? Nope. I think your buy entry was below if you wanted to get in at all. Buying these highs can be hard, mate. Man. Mate, your mic? TP for gold. Well, you just got to look to the left hand side, right? So, try not to ask me. Just look to the left. So, change to the 30 minute. You do have resistance right here. So, this is a good TP right now. At 1763. But above, next resistance, probably right around this area here. 1770. That'll be your next TP. Come on, GJ, get up, boy. 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Maybe if it gets up there. It's got a while though. Look at the 4 hours. 4 hours never breaking previous lows. It's okay. Oh my god. So that could be quite nice. Maybe a closure above. The zone's quite good. At least this next support there. I think that could be quite nice if you get there. How would that look like also on the daily? Yeah, the daily's still very heavily biased towards sells though, but we'll see. We could go get a coffee soon. I think my ass is finally fucking relaxed a little bit. That was painful. Yeah, later on today I might play a little bit of COD, so if you guys want to come and join me and play some COD together and we'll go on YouTube, we'll do that. For whatever reason, I get unconfident when price is extraordinarily bullish / bearish. I feel like when I enter a trade in the direction the move is already over and there'll be a pullback. Can you help me with this error thinking? Well, it's not error thinking. I think it's quite reasonable. I think my ass is fine. I had fucking diarrhea the shits this morning, Shane. So, okay. So in terms of this, right? So for whatever reason, I get unconfident when price is extraordinarily bullish or bearish. I feel like when I enter a trade in that direction, the move is already over. Beautiful. Okay. So just like what we talk about all the time, that's totally understandable, right? Because you don't want to be buying the highs when, you know, when it pushes. So for example, right? Let's just say, let's just get rid of this. We can leave this one. So right, let's just say, right, price pushes up, it closes bullish there, right? Closes bullish there. Doesn't make the lower wick, so you don't get in. Price launches. You're kind of like, oh man, I missed the buy. Or, you know, maybe here, you're looking for a buy. You go, you know what? It's actually pushed quite a lot. I've probably missed the entry, and we're up here now. So what should I do, right? That's not bad. That's not a bad error thinking. That whole thinking there is, I want to get a reasonable price. I don't want to get in right at the high. So what do? Well, you wait for support to form, right? Price comes up, you go, right, okay, we're broken up. We're probably going to retest this level at some point. I'm going to wait for the retest. Price comes down. Bullish closure here. Wait for the lower wick. Take the buy there. And then there's the same trade that you just missed. Right? So that's what you're going to do, right? I don't think you're going to do anything different in terms of how you're feeling. If it's already pushed up a lot and already, you know, you might have missed an entry where you want to get it. So for example, if you're taking a buy here, you've got to get in either lower, either somewhere in these levels up here, or, you know, right at the close, maybe the retest of the level, right? If you've missed that, then yeah, you've missed the move, right? That's fine. All you've got to do now is sit in your hands, wait for the pullback, and then take the buy again. So I think you're not doing wrong thinking at all. I think that's good. I think you're completely fine. So we'll do another example, right? We'll find one. Try and find one. Yeah, here, look. GJ nutted. Okay. Oh, I missed the sells. No. Price comes up. Bearish closure. Take the sell there. Stop loss above. You would have got some in there. You would have got something. Not a lot, but still. So retracements happen all the time. Let's take a look at a buy one. See if we can find a nice buy one recently. GJ's been quite hard actually because it's just launched in a range for like fucking 4 days. So let's just see on gold if we can find one. Kind of the same with gold actually this week. It's been pretty hard in terms of just finding nice candles. But yeah, like, I mean, here's quite a hard one because it's so bullish. But let's just see. Look at that. Look how many candles have just launched. There's been a lot of volume, just not much structure in terms of after. So there's not really any support for me. Let's just go further back. Yeah, you can see loads here, right? Price comes down. Retests. Obviously, this is quite a small pullback, so you wouldn't want to take that one. Price comes down, right? Beautiful. Retraces back up. Finds resistance on the 15-minute time frame. It's a bearish engulf. Take the sell there. Stop loss above. There. back down to the lows. So that would have been a nice trade. Same thing here. This is kind of hard because it ranged after bad price action, so you couldn't really... I mean, you could have there. Price pulled up, closed bearish. Top wick, flip, push. So you would have got that one there as well. So it's just retracements. You just got to look for the retracements. Yeah, but let's say we close above this area. In the back of my mind, I'm thinking about the 1,000 pips we've moved this week. Nah, I generally think... in terms of like that kind of anxiety you have, which is one that I used to have as well. Always look at the daily candles. Always just look at the daily candles, right? Yeah, we've moved a lot, but if you take a look at the daily candles, they're not like hugely different. Look at these down here. It's a massive one. These are big ones. Look at the candle today. It's quite small. If you actually measure this candle from here to here, we've moved 100 pips this morning already. This daily candle here moved 445 pips. This one, which is a bit smaller, moved 300 pips. So you've got enough room, 100%. I think doing that, like looking at previous daily candles always helps. 5-minute gold. Oh, 5-minute M on gold. Oh shit, where am I? Oh yeah, we're in fucking Rocket Land. I forgot about that. Yeah. Little M formation. How big would the stops be? Quite big. Also 8 o'clock, we'll see. It's okay, Maxi boy. Were any trades taken? Nope. If you take a look at trades called, it's blank. I love that question. That's one of my favorite questions. Any trades taken? Oh, let me just take a look at the stream. Trades called blank. Double rejection on the 30-minute. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's the start of the hourly. We'll see. What's your favorite currency pair? Well, I'd have to say GJ for the long duration, yeah. But favorite pair now, 100% gold. Gold moves better. Gold has clearer zones. Gold pushes at nicer points. Gold doesn't range as much. GJ, if you actually take a look at this whole week, if we go through all the days, the only real, I mean, where do we start? What was it? 7th, yeah. Range, massive push-up, range. Push-up, range. This is horrendous all the way down. This would have been a beautiful sell-off, but no, it fucking pushed down. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, break of highs, break of lows. It was horrendous. You couldn't take anything there. Range, maybe a little bit of push down, but that was at 10 o'clock. Kind of sorry there. Kind of shit there. Nice buys up later on, but that was at 3 o'clock, too late on. Go to the next day. No pullback, so the celery play here I think was decent, but that was the only kind of thing. I think that's the only move on GJ this week that's been reasonable. Range, big nut, range, push back up. Was there a W? No, that was on gold, wasn't it? And then range. So it's been really, really shit GJ this week. If you just trade GJ and you're like in a negative, then don't worry about it too much. It's been pretty bad. See you later, Tommy boy. Do you trade AUD USD on NY? No. I trade gold, GJ, and sometimes EJ if there's something there. Yeah. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you're new here as well. If you're new here, pop in the chat, say you're new here, and we'll say hi and how we trade and talk about all that kind of stuff. So at the moment, I have a 5-minute trend line on, which may be here for later on, which is really, really nice. It's holding quite nicely all the way down from there, so it's good. Also be closing back below 1755, which I'd like. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Morning, how are you? I'm good. Yesterday was the first time I went to the gym and actually did some leg exercises. Just did a very, very chill. It was fun. New here, where do you backtest? So for me, I use Soft 4FX. It's called this. Let's go. Soft 4FX. It's great for backtesting. It's the best one for backtesting. The TradingView backtesting software is ass. That's why I don't pay for it. I think it's shit. I've tried it and it doesn't correlate with each time frame. If you go from one time frame, it would already have done the move. It's like, what? That's stupid. Where and how did you learn all your knowledge on Forex? Rajobanks, I'd say, for most parts. TED also. Rajobanks and TED, I'd say. Yeah. $20 pips on gold. Nice. Yeah, still looks like, obviously, it's still very bullish. I just do want to be a little bit careful with taking sells when I know it's so bullish. Oh god, nah, Dashi. Yeah. My second day here. Oh, amazing stuff. Welcome, welcome, yeah. So yeah, if you tuned in last month, I think on stream I took, I think around about 13 wins and 1 loss. So that was pretty good. This month's had a slow start, but as I said, with the percentage gains, we're right on track now. I made 4.2% this week, which is great. Great stuff. Please, can you explain how 5-minute trendline breakouts work? Yeah, I mean, if you really want to know the proper in-depth analysis, then go on the G Drive if you want to join the mentorship. But in terms of what it is, it's just basically we find a trend which holds very nicely, normally at a very low point to a very high point. So, like for example, in this example here, it's got 1 touch. So what we also like is we like the touches, right? So 2 touches is minimum, and then a closure below. But mostly, 3 touches is very nice. You see, you always put it on the wick. So there's one here, there, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, 4 touches. So what happens then normally, and what we do through backtesting, is we took every single 5-minute trend line, and basically normally if you get a closure below the trend line like this, so for example like that, okay, as long as the zone below is clean to the next level, so you can see here, yes, there's an OB down there, so that'll be target, but this zone is clean. As long as the zone's clean, as long as the 50-minute time frame, so as long as the 50-minute time frame is clean, there's no support for us to that's hitting on, which it is. Look, looks clean. Look at the 30-minute clean as well. So great area. As long as you get the closure below, so something like this, as I said, and the retracement, you take the sell on the retracement of the trend line with stop loss above the previous. Let's say it's like there. Then for the most part, you get a beautiful, nice trade all the way back down to TP1, which would probably be there. And then TP2 would be the next support below there. Okay, and that's how it is. If you take a look at my Instagram, which I highly recommend you go and go and see, because you can view all of them. Look here. Make sure it's the right one, because there's a lot of fake ones. But this is what we took yesterday. We had 1, 2, 3 touches. We got a closure below. We got a retest right here. Stop loss above. Break that low, you pussy. Break it. Break it.
Bitch.
Okay, stop loss to break even here. Yeah, so you get a nice. Can you see the entry? You get a pretty much zero drawdown, which is great. 6 pips. Maybe not yet. Let's wait a little bit longer. I want it to fucking actually push. So yeah, they're all dropped down. All my trades all on here. Make sure to go and like them and all that kind of good stuff. Helps me out. So yeah. Wowza. Did the 3-minute close below? It didn't really close below. Maybe that one kind of did. Look at gold. What a nut. Why fundamental analysis is so boring? I can't watch Capital Hungry's videos for more than 10 minutes. Well, you don't need to watch them for 10 minutes. If you've watched them once, it's kind of common sense. You said yesterday pretty obvious situations with news, so. Oh, you're waiting for the 5. Look at that candle, my god. Bro, have you used smart money concepts before and combine it with the trend line? Yep. That's why I've got my OBO down here, and that would be for targets. So it went to just top 1755 again. It's clearly holding support there. So a closure below would be nice later on. Yeah. Beautiful M on the 3-minute. Yeah, the squad are looking at it over here. But I think, yeah, I suppose it did close below. But I don't really like that massive wick to start off with there. But it would have worked. How big were your stops? 20 pips or so.
What's up, Dr. Max?
What's up, what's up, what's up? How you doing?
Good.
Good stuff, good stuff.
What do you think about my 62?
But you say every number, but yeah, 62, beautiful. Very, very nice. You like Mystic Mike?
No, I say two numbers, 32 and 62.
Yeah.
Don't be mad with me.
Beautiful, I hit 62 easily. Did you take any trades?
I take just one. It's small, but long, and I'm happy.
Beautiful. Just a fundamental. Quick trade, I got this week, 22 pips. Very, very nice. That was a bit, yeah, I was flying down. Yeah, the wick put me off a little bit with the rejection. Look at GG through 8 o'clock, wow. $50-minute celery play, maybe was that? It was right at the start, wasn't it? It was when the candle literally just opened. Yeah. Right at 8 o'clock. I know it was 8:05. Look at that, GJ. 165. So how's that weekly gonna close? Yeah, it's gonna close bearish, and if it closes below, oh my god, it's gonna reject these highs again. Look at that. We came all the way to 172. Madness. So looking like it's coming down, as I said, but it's still got to get past the support. So still a 4-hour retest, so I want to be a little bit cautious there, to be honest with you. I wouldn't mind further below, because this zone's not too bad. How big is that? Yeah, 28 pips. So the 5-minute trend line might be easier. 30-minute M on gold. Yeah. I'm not playing with that support. I'm not playing with it. Mr. Fundamental in the house. Wait, who's that? Who's that? Kid age 14 make 40k by using 4k funds account. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know why people get so fucking worked up with them. It's like, yeah, wow, it's a lot of luck. I blew up an account tenfold in the past 3 days. Wow, he was risking 50% per trade. He was just very lucky in that time. Try doing that for fucking 3 years. Hey, Max, trades called means all on stream, or does that include the ones on NY? Just all on stream, yeah, not on NY, or not anything later. I actually called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is trades called in the month as well. Yeah. Gold go down? Question mark. You tell me, man. I'm waiting for my closure below, and then maybe see.
Max, did you see I took a little paper trade again on the 3-minute trend. There was like a 3-minute trend.
3-minute M.
3-minute trend. No, the 3-minute it did kind of break below. I thought that was a break below.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no. Trend line, 3-minute trend line from. Yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah, something like that.
It didn't tap though, so didn't
Oh wait, I've got it on my screen. Where was it from? No, it didn't quite tap. You're right. It didn't quite tap. Yeah, I've got it pretty much running from where you got it running from.
like that.
It kind of touched. Sorry, I'm just flicking between screens. Sorry, man.
Yeah, it's close. It's close. I see it. Very nice. Thank you. So how much percentage gain are we aiming for per month, and what is actually realistic? I want to do a mix-up on next Monday. I think now, I mean, we've already got onto track, so we're up like 3% nearly. We've got a lot more days left. And also the news, because the first week was hard. I mean, these first 2 weeks have been hard, man, because the first week was full of news. Second week was ranging pretty hard for most of it, pretty bad price action. So, and we're already up 2.7%. So I don't know, probably like a 12, 15, 16% month maybe. I think I could probably get back to October. Because also we're a bit unlucky with these. These here, that would have been 0.9. That would have probably been 0.9. That would have probably been 0. Sorry, not 0.9. 0.7, 7, and 7. 7, 14, 21. So yeah, it could have been up like 4 or 5% already this month. Just a bit of hard luck there. So I think we're looking good, man. Probably like 16, 12, 16% minimum. I gave my kid my phone. He placed trades without my knowledge and sell USD lot. Like 14 trades in my 20k account. I'm praying for drop. Oh my god. What? Your son did it. Oh my god. Imagine that. I always get worried of that, actually. I always take my MetaTrader, like... That's why, actually, the small account's a little bit easier, because... If you had your big account here, like, Caitlin just accidentally presses a button and fucking puts a lot on, or...
Yeah, nice.
So, still didn't close below, unfortunately. So it's still holding it, still respecting it. So price could easily just make its new range there, right? Do you have kids? Hell no, bro. I'm 22. Not yet. Wow, GJ is playing with some lies over here. So I look at the poll. Are you profitable this week? 51% of people say yes. It's getting close to nearly half. Half of the people in the chat had a losing week. Guys, losing weeks, if you guys, which you should have, by the way, and actually people in the Telegram as well, if you've taken losing trades and you've marked them up, send them over, put them in the Discord or put them in the chat. I want to go through some L's, because we don't do that anymore, and I really want to, because it's good to see why it went wrong. So, please put them in the chats, either in the Discord. I might sort out my Discord a little bit more and get rid of all the bullshit and just use something that's good. Yeah. So still holding it in GJ, yeah. So just a little bit slower. Dollar might keep falling, just making a trace at the moment on the 4-hour. USD might keep going up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 100%. The more it fucks around in that area, then when we get the closure there, it's going to be good. 100%. Yeah, exactly. I think by seeing the chart, it will go up, I guess. Bro, you're very young, just 22. Do you have any other income sources of trading or trading only? I've got quite a fair few. I've got a rental property. Well, I mean, YouTube's not a lot. I have a company with my dad. I've got a lot of things going on. Yeah, it's not just one thing. It's a collection of things. COD later? Yes, we'll play COD later. What time should we do it? Let's see. Maybe like 3 o'clock, because my friends are coming later on after that. So probably like 3 o'clock. Buy house, rent as students easy? Yeah, pretty much what I did. Well, not to students, but very easy. Wow, this is holding that support hard, eh? So you gotta know that is gonna be, you can't be taking. This is the thing, right? You can take impulse trades when you know where to take them, right? But if you took an impulse there and that sell, you've got to be careful, man. But don't get annoyed with yourself. Just go back and go, you know what? If I'm willing to take an impulse trade here, okay, why is it? Is it just because I see price pushing down quite heavily with this candle? Price can push quite heavily to the in any situation, but when it gets to a very strong support, it is very, 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 you need to have more confidence for it to push down. Especially when you then look at the higher time frames, you go, wow, this is a previous resistance, so it could be a support. It's a 30-minute break and retest. It's the hourly and the 4-hour break and retest. That level there to take an impulse is the most retarded place to take an impulse. Okay, that one out of any other place is the worst place to take an impulse because it's at a level that it can react off from pretty much all time frames. So yeah. Yeah, beautiful. 100%. What is the Instagram again? Like this one here. Stop loss matters. It's on the night bot. It's literally above you in the chat. Yeah, if anyone has any ideas of what else I should post, I just post our trades, but realistically, I should post other things as well. I've talked about a couple of things today. But, yeah, just the likes are down from massively from yeah, 3,000 likes. Madness.
What are you doing?
Hi, could you help me? I have a question. How do you start and how was your way to become a profitable trader and how long did it take you to become profitable? My way was painful, risking a lot of money, losing a lot of money. And that's pretty much one of the reasons why I started my Instagram and stuff. But basically I just got hooked up with all of the fucking scammers. Lost a load of money there, then tried to trade yourself, lost a load of money then. And then I was just scrolling on Twitter and I found Rajabanks. And I just listened to him for fucking 3 years. And by the end of it, I didn't have to listen to him anymore because I kind of got his whole thing. And then that's when I started posting to Instagram. And just putting all my trades. I was getting profitable by then. And then I started a funded thing, which was funding talent, which gave me more equity. And then, yeah, I just started streaming on. Anyway, I started streaming on YouTube last year in July, and then here we are. Did you make back what you lost? Well, of course I did. Now I've got over a 6-figure account, and I'm making, you know, well, I mean, last month I made 70%. I only lost, like, because remember, I started trading when I was very young. I started trading when I was like 17, 16. So I didn't have fucking funds coming out my ass. I worked 2 jobs, and all that money I pretty much spunked away. And then the first year of uni, I also spunked my whole rent. So that was great. From fucking over trading. And then after that, I was like, no, I'm doing this properly. And then from then, it's been a blessing. 1 second. Top loss matters. Back in the building. So yeah, we'll see this Goldie coming down again. What would you describe trading in 3 words? Patient, painful, and profitable. I don't know. Painful at the start, I tell you that. It's painful at the start if you don't have a group. If you don't have a group, like for example, a lot of people in here, Paulie, I think Paulie as well, and a lot of other people, they haven't had that issue because they came straight into the group, and now they're with people that, you know, are like-minded, and none of us are really over risk. None of us, you know, we miss that whole step, and then it's just growing together and learning about different things, how to enter, and that's why you hear, you know, a lot of people in the group before, you know, like Brian and Sash and stuff, you know, they've got to a level now where, you know, they're just chilling, looking at the next thing, but they you know, they want to be in their own little separate bit, because right now, obviously, I have new people in, I get them up to a certain level, and when they get to a certain level, which is the whole part of the mentorship, is for you to be able to trade by yourself, then you go and you do your own thing. So it's just about that, you know, getting people to a level where they can just trade wherever they want, and they can do whatever they want, and that's the whole part of the mentorship. So, and only for £50 a month, you know, it's like a gym membership. How much did you make from fund and talent, if you don't mind asking? Well, I had a 100k account, and I was averaging around about, at the time, like 12 to 16% every month. And you got bi-weekly payouts, so you can kind of, I know it's 80%, I'm pretty sure it was 80%, fuck no, it was so long ago, I think it might have been 80% I gained, so yeah. So that was, yeah, you can do that, and I did it for 9 months, or 8 months maybe. You had more than Livestream to learn, any kind of mentor coach? Nope, Livestream only. Do you know why? Because Livestream is all I ever needed at the start. I think maybe now, Livestream is maybe a little bit harder to grasp, but back in the day, Livestream was very easy. Very, very easy to understand. And I didn't just write and message random crap. I sat there and listened to him for fucking 2 years. I knew, to the point where at the start of every single stream he'd come on, and I know exactly what he'd say about the chart, I know exactly where he'd want to take his trades, and that's when he started to just do it yourself. Did you work and trade at the same time? Yep. This is a madness for GJ. Did anyone try and get into GJ at any point this morning? Why is Livestream hard now? Because he just he doesn't need to teach anyone now. You know, it's all there. You know, he's already done it for 3 years. My guy comes on, has a bit of fun, roasts a chat, takes his buy or sell, which normally is a rather shit in NY session because the NY volume's crap, and then leaves. It's not as... It was back in the day, you'd come on, welcome chat, because obviously he's trying to build an audience. You go, right, I'm looking for the buys here, you'd be taking, you know, buys here, sells here, wait for a closure below, closure above. He doesn't wait for closure anymore. My guy just fucking enters if he wants to, for the most part. But he doesn't need to anymore, right? So it was more structured, I'd say, when he was younger, which made it easier for people to learn. That's my opinion, anyway. I'm excited for Monday, Max. I'm super hyped for the journey with all you and all the members. Amazing work. Yeah, I need to get people with more mics on. Actually, I'm gonna ask people to bring some mics next week. Get some mics in the building. So in terms of trades this morning, obviously it's bank holiday and golds as well, so that's kind of also put me off. But that one there was reasonable because it's support forming. So if you take a look at the trade setups, it was one of the setups, and it just about got a 1-to-1 there, which is what I would have closed. But I'll just show you what it looks like here. I really should have taken that on the closure, really. Someone's playing 21. Can you do something for me? So can you see here, guys? Broke up. Oh shit. Broke up. Support forming. This is the confirmation and getting on this level here. Beautiful. So yeah, would have been nice. I wish I fucking took it now. The stop there, you just have to enter straight away. I was expecting maybe a little bit more of a low wick. Not really though, because obviously the big rejection. But yeah, I should just execute it there. And the one below the M was quite hard, I'd say. So, and GJ's is absolutely fuck all, so that is fine. Yeah, my Swiss accent, that's all good. I'm from India. Where are you from, bro? England. Cars, money, yeah, exactly. Oh my god, already coming back up. So yeah, I'm thinking probably later on I'm just going to have an alert like there. I think that's the best way for us, like 1754. 0.5. It's the one that I gotta wait for. Should I concentrate me on only trading, or should I work at the same time? I'm 19 years old now, so I would have more time if I focus on trading, right? Or is that not a good idea? Do you do any job? Are you at uni or nothing? I'd get a job because you'd have no money. Get a job. 5-minute close bullish retest entry could be interesting, but now it's just made its range, right? So what I gotta wait for now is just to wait for this range to pop out, hopefully below into range 2, and I get my nice sell back down to that OB level there. That's all I'm looking for here. That's what I'm gonna do.
Morning, Max.
Morning. How you doing, Julian?
Yeah, it's been a while, mate. I've been concentrating on the plumbing and heating business. It's been making.
Been busy?
Making some coin to invest.
Nice. Wait, people getting the plumbing. It's busy time, though, isn't it? For like winter and that, I want to get it sorted.
What do you reckon gold's gonna do?
I don't know, to be honest with you. I think it's it's very, very high, especially today, Julian. It's bank holiday for US, so I actually don't think it's going to be the best day, to be honest with you. I think maybe sells below 1755 to come back down to 1750 is the only thing I'm going to want today, I think. Or unless price pushes back above 1763, pushes into this area and then makes some support, I think I'd like that. Or maybe a closure above 1763. But for the most part, in terms of today, it's bank holiday US, and normally for me that means leaving US like completely because there's not much volume. Yeah, so that's the thing for Goldie. I think maybe it might be able to get some sells below 1755. GJ's doing nothing right now. It's looking pretty awful, but it's been a big range, big moves this week, so it's all good. I worked 1 year and saved my money, 2,000. Is that all the money you've got, or can you live as well? Because 2,000 is going to be a little bit. Fuck, I forgot. I'm moving bloody gaff soon. Get in. How much did you learn and invest? How much did you learn to invest and live? Wait, what? How much do you earn? Oh, he's saying how much I earn. Nice amount. Fucking love that question. Max, you teach OBs in the mentorship? Yeah, I think the main videos will come in time, maybe in the next month or so. But we already discussed them in terms of taking profits with our normal strategies and like 5-minute trend lines and talking about OBs. So yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. Bro, in some countries, salaries are like 600 to 700 per month. How to live with that and save at the same time? Well, you can't. You can't. So you've got to maybe stop focusing on trading and start focusing on other stuff. Sales, marketing, I don't know.
Prostitution.
Is that fucking Steve? Yeah, well, hello Stevie boy.
Good morning.
Good morning, you seem very tired.
Yeah, another late one.
Another late one again?
Yeah, busy.
Busy boy. Busy boy dealing his drugs around. Did you fix your car yet?
Yeah, he come yesterday.
Ah, nice. What, did you fix it actually on the drive? Is it all good?
Yeah, it was quick fit.
Wow. Not bad. Not bad.
280 odd quid.
Oof. Oof.
I was horrible to him. I felt bad after he left.
Yeah, what did you say to him?
Nothing. I just messaged him the code for the gate and left the car unlocked.
Ah, that's fair. It's not bad.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Why? They probably like it, man. They've got a job to do. They just want to fucking get it done, and then they can probably chill about for a while. You know what I mean? Like, if it's timed right, imagine if you have like half an hour or an hour to do your job. To be fair, it depends how he gets paid, right? But if he got paid like for the hour, man, I'd finish that job as quick as I can and then go and jack off in a McDonald's for like another hour. That's the reason why I don't think I could do a normal job. I'd end up just fucking like, finding ways to get around just not doing it. Or doing the job to like I always talk to my lass about like her job and stuff and how much effort she's putting in. I go, just be careful, like you're just a number. You know, if they want to get rid of you tomorrow, they can. Like, just don't stop putting your whole life into it. Yeah, man, I think the trade of the day so far. Oh no, I just forgot. Tommy boy, you still in? I think is Tom gone? I know there's two Toms. Yeah, the other Tom. Tom's still in that trade, I think. Oh, he could be okay. Isn't it bullish buys for gold? Yeah, it is bullish buys. How come you're looking for sells? Well, because of the fact that I have to have really good rejection, really good confirmation of resistance forming here. But the main thing is that I've got a beautiful trend line holding. Closure below would be nice. The zone below, in terms of how clean it is very nice. Yeah?
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. So there, beautiful 50 pips, clean candles. And look where it ends. It ends up at an OB, an order block, which normally price likes to come and tap. So I have a good confirmations for at least price. And also, we're coming to 70, you know, if it comes down here, it will come to 750, which is a good psychological key level. So I got a lot of confidences with the sellers if I get there eventually. But if this wants to run up higher, great, I'll take some support formings maybe. Yeah. Oh, yes. This chart on GJ will go down. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I think this is... Even if I got a closure below here, I don't think I'd still like it, to be honest. The daily time frame looks good. The daily time frame does look good, but I think I might give it a bit more room, because can you see these wicks wicking back down to this daily flip? I think that might be a little bit scary. I think I may wait until further below. We'll see with the closure. If we actually ever get there. Your pinball. Oh my god. That's hilarious. was I doing there? Just checking something. I'm just enjoying free service. Yeah. So we'll see if this GJ can get down. But still, yeah. I mean, overall, I think this week's been pretty boring in terms of price action because there's just been a lot of areas. I mean, at the start of the week, wasn't there election stuff? Let's take a look.
I think you're crazy.
Why?
Today, this week's been boring. It's been like 400 pip moves.
Yeah, for news though, if you're not got in, it's fucking boring before and boring after. Did I tell you what I did yesterday, Steve? The fucking gold
I want
buy.
on, was I?
Oh, motherfucker. I had this, right? Buy stop. There. So, got into the buy stop. Got activated. There. And then, because my TP was already above my entry, it closed it instantly. And I could have had this whole 400 pip move. Motherfucker. My life. TP on GG on gold. Can you get the TP off, guys? Can you take the TP off like on Magic Keys? Because that actually would just save me so much effort and fucking ball ache.
You can on Sea Trader.
Motherfucker. Oh, are you profitable this week? 49% of people say yes. There's less people that got profitable this week. Damn, I did think it's probably going to be one of them weeks because people will be trying to trade before the news and getting clotted. Took the 3-minute sell. Right now?
What on?
3-minute M sell. Where was that? You can cancel stop loss or TP set on MT5. Well, yeah, I know, but I didn't have enough time. It was already launched. Already launched to the skies.
No, you have to set a TP.
Yeah, and I don't want to. I want it to just not have a TP. Like, why can't I just fucking trade it?
So there will be a value you can put in on Magic Keys to make it not set one.
Yeah. It's true.
Yeah. I passed my 5% as funding challenge yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Took 300 pips and never made a penny. Because you don't get
You should have done that on your other account as well. You should copy it.
The other account was... I think I was on GU. Yeah, I was on GU. Yeah.
I hate news, but yesterday I catch the long on gold. Wow. Where did you get entered in? Because mine got slipped like 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pipperoonies.
Did your IC markets lock up?
No, it didn't actually. Oh, it did for like the first second, but then it gapped like all the way up to my entry. Yeah.
I got the Circle of Doom loading button.
Oh, really?
3 seconds after I sold it.
Oh my god. How long did it last?
I lost 600 quid.
Wow.
I jumped on my phone and then closed the trade. 6 pips up, something like that. And I thought, yeah, I'm all right with that. And then when it all stopped doing the Circle of Doom, I was 14 pips down.
Oh. My mentor was in a 30 lot on gold on buys and took profit on gold before news. Oof. Really?
Oh, this wind's doing my head in.
The wind.
Someone's knocking, and it sounds like someone's knocking at the door.
Who keeps knocking at my door? Yeah, there's so jack all here today.
Jack all.
Yeah, just that gold buy was not too bad, really.
I've sold gold twice, and I've bought GU once.
GU.
It's prattling me about.
Yeah, well, be careful with GU because bank holiday later on today.
She's just popped to 30 pips.
Yeah, so GG and gold just done as well. It popped up a little bit. Sorry for asking, how can I send you my chart? Go to the camera icon, go to copy link to chart image, go to a web browser and delete the whole thing apart from, like, delete everything apart from after the .com/. Just delete all that and send me that in the chat. Bitcoin finished? Yeah. Finito.
Has it plummeted again?
No, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Especially when this week closes. Oh my god.
There's only so many Bitcoin in existence, isn't there?
Yeah.
And they're not all currently used yet.
No, but most of them are.
So surely when it gets to 100% of the Bitcoins used,
yeah,
then it should create a demand and the price should rise.
Well, yeah. If it has any functionality, which it might not when the government grab onto it and they fucking tax it and they also look at it. So no drug dealer can send money through Bitcoin. No fucking dodgy tax man can send their money for it. So, you know what I mean? That's the utility of it right now. You can send it and no one knows. You know, no one knows. The government doesn't know about it really, unless you withdraw. But when they start getting on that, which they will, by the way, then yeah, it's fucking useless.
So it is dead in the water then?
I think so. Who introduced and teaches Forex to you? My dad kind of introduced me to it, but not like directly, kind of with like Apple and stuff. I was trading Apple when I was younger, when I was like 14 or 15.
That's just trading in general.
Yeah, Forex.
Yeah. I worked at BAE Systems when I was an apprentice, and we used to do penny stocks and shares.
Really?
About 400 people, 5 each, and whoever made the most money at the end of the year won so many thousand or whatever it was.
Wow. That's a bit of fun, eh?
Yeah. My best share was Halma PLC.
Halma?
Halma, Halma PLC.
What did they do?
They bought safety device companies.
Ooh.
And they bought mine, and we got so many shares as part of the deal.
Well,
at 97 pence.
97p?
Yeah, my business partner sold his all following week.
No.
I held mine for 5-6 years.
No way, he closed them all. Oh no.
I sold at 23 quid.
Oh my god.
It was the dividends. The dividends were amazing.
So why the fuck did he sell then?
Because he's
needed the money or something.
Sentimental. He never wanted nothing to do with them.
Yeah, that's fair. But if the dividends are good, then what's the point of fucking cutting that income stream off, as well as maybe the potential later on for it to control? As long as you check the balance sheets every quarter and look at they're still profitable, still got a good the liabilities aren't as much as their what they've actually got. So wow, I bet he was fucking pissed.
Yeah.
No.
No, he'd read his money. He was happy.
Ah, right, fair. That's fair then.
But you get people like that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
We have a local company, a telecoms company, or I did do, and they were going to get bought out by BT.
Oh, yeah.
And they put a restriction on how many shares you could buy, and it was $5,000 per person.
Mm-hmm.
And I know loads of people who spent $5,000 on them. And I think we got in it about £1, and they went to 20 quid.
Fucking hell.
They've still got them now.
Really?
Yeah. Carew, Kingston Communications.
It's 20-fold.
Greed, innit?
Mm. Wow, GJ's been absolutely nothing this session. Madness. Goldie looking like it's potentially breaking up, but there's just levels here that can still react off, like Tom's trade. Did it actually get up to the highs? Is Tom still on? Let's take a look. I think you might still just be in. You got in at 1764.
GU it, TP2. 41 pips.
Beautiful. GU. Look at them hourly time frames. Yeah, this Goldie looked like it may give another rally over here. Interesting. Interesting. So yeah, I think this is going to be the end of the week, to be honest with you. I don't think there's going to be the best moves in GJ. We'll see below. I'm going to have this alert on gold, but as I said, if it comes too close to NY and the volume starts slowing down, I'm not taking trades. So in the at the time at 12 o'clock, we will do a simulation session. That's what we'll do. Homework will be out today as well. Huh?
I just sold gold.
Ooh. 50 minutes got no bottom wick, so you might be alright for a little bit. Yeah, I just think in terms of... I mean, look how much it's moved, my god. Look at the 4-hour break and retest as well, wow. Came back to that retest like twice. Madness. So yeah, I mean, looking at this, are you profitable this week? 50% of the people in the chat said they are not profitable, which is, you know, gotta be able to look back at your trades, your losing trades, and that's why you gotta journal them. Make sure to journal your trades. It's useless, you know, not journaling them. And yeah. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it off over here. I've still got this gold on here. In terms of higher up, I'm a little bit cautious in terms of the levels to the left, which could reject off, so I don't really want to take the buys, especially when this US volume and stuff. I'd rather wait for the sells to come back down to 1650, to be honest, when it rejects the highs later on. And yeah, GJ is just fucking whack today. But been a massive, massive week in terms of moving. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Before you leave, make sure you like the stream. I'll see you guys later. See you later, Zoom. All of the content's going to be posted today, so make sure to check out that.
Thanks, Max.
See you later, guys. See you at 12 o'clock for the sim. See you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out. See you later, alligator. Have a good weekend, everyone. Yeah, peace out, man. See you later, guys. See you next week.